I can see the darkness at the edge of the sky, creeping over the hill like a shadow in the night. Too early to tell if it's a fortune or a flood. I'm trusting the stone will do me good. Lord, let it rain on me. I said, Lord, let it rain on me. There's a lesson in the loss, there's a promise in the sky. Lord, let it rain on me. They say the troubles, will it make you strong? I must be Hercules to suffer this long. Try to hold my head up under the world's heavy weight, praying the water will wash it away. I said, Lord, let it rain on me. Oh, Lord, let it rain on me. There's a reason for the fury and the blessings from on high. Lord, let it rain tonight. In spite of all the pain and misery, I know you reign over me. You reign over me. Now it's coming down like a river from the sky, watching it wash away everything I thought was mine. I know there's a reckoning coming up with the sun. I'm carrying the cross for the things I've done. I'm carrying the cross for the things I've done. I'm carrying the cross for everyone. And I said, Lord, let it rain on me. Oh, oh Lord, let it rain on me. There's a healing in the morning, there's a rainbow in the sky. Oh Lord, it's gonna be alright. I thank the Lord, it's gonna be alright. Thank the Lord, it's gonna be alright.